In this chapter, we will explore factoring polynomials and solving equations. Identify the greatest common factor for the expression. Then factor the expression. We have 4x squared y minus 20xy squared plus 12xy. So, to identify the greatest common factor, let's start with the constants of 4, 20, and 12. The largest number that divides into each of those, or all three of those, is the number 4. So that will be part of the greatest common factor. For the x variables, we have x squared, x, and therefore x is the largest factor of those that we can take out. For the y variable, we have y squared, and y is the greatest factor that we can take out. So that is our greatest common factor, 4xy. So we factor that out, and when we factor it from 4x squared y, we would just have a factor of x remaining. Then we have the minus, and it would be 5, because 5 times 4 would give us the 20. And then the xy compared to the xy squared leaves us a factor of y. And then at the end, we need a 3, because 3 times 4 is 12. And then the xy is completely taken care of, so that would be our factored form.